everyone, Unreal Engine 5 Metahuman using Audio2Face. Now let's get started before my screen recorder runs out of recording time. So first you head to the nucleus here, add a new local nucleus server, and connect to it using the add server and logging in. Next you'll go here to go to Audio2Face and launch it. I'm using version 2023.2.0. And I'm not exactly sure how much this is affecting things, but I'm using the Epic Games Unreal Engine 5.3 connector as well. Now, because launching this app takes a while, I've already launched it and have it running in the background. Today we'll be using Mark, because everyone uses Mark for the screen, and we'll now open a new scene without saving any progress, because our previous scene was just a blank screen anyway. Now we'll head over here, look at localhost, samples, solve, mail VS46 USD. We'll just plop him down here, wait for him to load in, and add a transform and shift him somewhere else in the X direction. Now I have Mark and Mark copy. Today I've decided to use a sound effect here for man raging scream sound. Now when you play it, you can see Mark, the guy's face here moves, but this guy's not moving, so we'll head over here to A2F data conversion and set up a blend shape solve. We'll take the head watertight and link it to the neutral face and set it up here. And now these two should be mirroring each other. Next, you can change the emotional range here. So in this case, we're having a very angry man. He's very angry yet slightly in pain, is what we'll be going for. We'll head to our character setup here just to, actually there's nothing we need to do here. We'll head to A2F data conversion now. We'll select the blend shape solve, select our format to be USD, and now we'll export our whites to, we'll export our whites to somewhere reasonable, like top. This is important because we need to be able to find it later, and we'll call our solve angry. And actually I've decided to save it to the downloads folder because that's where my other file is. We'll export it as a USD file animation, which you can get here in the options, and now we'll just have it export in the background. So while it's exporting here, we'll head to the Epic Games launcher and launch Unreal Engine 5.3.2. And this also takes quite a while, so I've already pre-launched it. And here we're using a blank stage and creating a new project, which also takes a while, so I've already done that. Next, we'll head to my project in Unreal Editor. We can go to the pixel bridge here and get ourselves a metahuman. In this case, we already have Etor pre-downloaded, but if you want to download another metahuman, you just tap over here and click download. Once that's done, you can see that our local metahumans include Etor and Faruk. We'll head to the content and metahumans. In this case, since we need to get Etor in, we'll head back to the bridge, go to locals, get a metahuman, and well, we'll add him to the project. We'll just wait for him to scan and finish importing. This can unfortunately take a while, so while we're letting him import in the over here, we'll just, well, I would normally go import something else here, but this is just taking a while. So now that he's been imported, we'll head to the content drawer. You can see all the content Metahumans folder with Editor here. And now we'll import him by dragging this little sphere in. It will take a while to load this guy's hair and other content in, but once Unreal is done loading, we should be able to move him around. Though we can't control him because we haven't set up controls for that. Now, while this computer struggles, I sure hope nothing has crashed here. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's bad. I don't actually know where it went. Okay, that's good. And now we'll just wait for Editor to get added to the scene. He's just refusing to move, isn't he? Because of his hair. And maybe I should have done this earlier. But now that he's in, we can move him around. We'll just use the arrow keys to navigate a bit and place him down right in front of the camera. Select and rotate. We'll just rotate him to have him face the camera, like the little guy he is. Now, here we just head to the content folder and create and start importing things. We'll first import and raging scream effect, and next we'll import a USD animation from our downloads where it's our angry that we previously created. We select the face archetype skeleton, and we select the animation source as Audio2Face metahuman curves, and we now import that. So now that we're done with that, we now have to get him to actually talk. So we right click here, and we create a new advanced edit for cinematics, and we create a level sequence. We'll call this one sequence for now. Double click it to bring up the sequencer, and we start loading in some things, such as we add the track for editor here, and we add an audio track. Our audio track will be the main raging scream sound effect. And here's right, we'll take an animation track where we should have had angry imported, and we'll now go with gold more. Next, we just need to check our track time. In this case, I'm just going to have it play over the entire thing. We can play it. So that was a little hard to see, but if we move the camera closer, we can see this guy getting really mad in all his full glory. That's the entire video, and thank you for watching.